Hi everyone. All right, today we're focusing on exhaustion. If you're exhausted at night or during the day and you have a hard time getting your brain to be quiet and you're just having a hard time at night sleeping, this is a good routine to throw in to help with that. So I've already done my neck and face routine. So I've applied, you can apply your regular face serum that you like. Your palm is great. Frankincense would be really good for this one. So go ahead and add your oil that you want to use. What we're going to start with is the heart-shaped part of our stone. And we're just going to come to the top of our head in the middle. I don't have a middle part, so I'm going to come over and just holding it like this. And we're just doing a little wiggle. And we're just going to move our way back to the back of the head. Take some deep breaths through this. Just going to the back. We're just going to do one pass, but you can go back and do more if you want to. The next part we're going to do is take the smooth part of our stone, smooth part of our stone, and we're just coming up under the eye over the cheek. Very gentle. Just very gentle, working our way up toward the hairline. 3 to 5 times. And then we're going to come a little bit closer to the eye, being very gentle. Same thing, just a little bit closer. This is good for depuffing and cooling under the eyes, especially on those nights that we feel like we haven't gotten any sleep. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to focus on the forehead. You can do, we're going to do 3 to 5 passes moving way up. You can do it like, let that be one pass, or you can do it, I'm going to do 3 to 5 passes and then just move to the next section. Just being very gentle. Switch arms over here. And then I have a small forehead, so it doesn't take me very long. And then we're just going to end with some drainage. So we definitely want to remember to do that. I'm going to do it on both sides. Remember to do both on both sides. I just did the one side, so make sure you go back and do the other side. And drink lots of water.